Nothing says welcome to my home like a bottomless pit of skeletons trying to escape. Let's turn this boring wooden pallet into something that will make your neighbors question your sanity. I raided Dollar Tree like a grave robber on a budget. Skeleton hands, skulls, black netting, and even plastic tablecloths. Now time to do some pallet surgery. Just yank off boards that you don't like and slap them back to where you do. I use the bottom planks to cover the sides of the pallet. Don't worry if it looks crooked. Crooked is basically Halloween chic. I found this old stain in my garage. It's probably expired, but hey, if it makes me grow a third hand, that will just save me money on another skeleton prop. I didn't like how the boards would cover the skeleton, so I removed 3 and replaced 2 in a better position. Remember, if it looks like your pallet fell down a flight of stairs, you're doing it right. If this is slightly helpful or more entertaining than watching paint dry in a coffin, please like and subscribe for more spooky DIYs. Here's where we trick people into thinking that there's a deep, dark pit. Really, it's just a black tablecloth. Nothing screams endless void than something you could eat nachos off of. I have no idea why my daughter decided to show her nails off when I went to get tools. Now time to untangle this string of 100 orange lights. Hopefully it gives a little fire effect. Be sure you position your plug inside the pallet where your power source will be. We positioned some netting over the lights to give it texture. Think of it as makeup for skeletons. They deserve to look good when they're crawling out from the underworld. Now let's give our undead friends some character. A hand here, a skull there, basically a family reunion, but less awkward. And here it is, the dungeon pit from your nightmares. I even threw in a Dollar Tree chain, because nothing screams trapped in eternal torment like a $1.25 plastic prop.